In this section, you will find a description of the birth roles, and a variety of scenarios where an unexpected birth might take place. This is called role play. Physically rehearsing key scenarios is vital to responding confidently in an emergency. So we encourage you to take the time to act out the roles and the scenarios as often as possible. Try to practice with enough people to fill the necessary roles and rehearse in a way that is as real as possible. Using a baby doll that is about the size of a newborn with something resembling an umbilical cord will also be very helpful. Completing this process will help you respond naturally and with less anxiety when assisting in an emergency low-resource delivery. Roles. Group leader. Take a role on and have the students assign their own roles for each scenario. Once they begin, as in a real scenario, with one person taking charge and making assignments to the other people in the group. Help encourage all participants to stay in character throughout the role play. This is very important. Rotate roles until everyone in the group has played a variety of roles and have been able to practice. Extras can watch and wait for their turn to be in the group role play. Birth scenario roles. Birthing mother. You act as if you're truly in labor. You act accordingly to the birth scenarios read by the facilitator. Follow your instincts. Stay completely in character until the birth scenario is over. The baby catcher. Speak confidently and calmly. Take a breath and stay present in the tune. Pray for strength and trust in God. Take control of the situation. You have the training to do so. Unless there is someone with more training, in that case, offer your assistance to them. Command onlookers to put away cell phones. Instruct one person to be a space keeper. Call 911 if emergency services are available. If many people call, it blocks the lines and dispatchers can't respond to the other calls coming in. Also, it's confusing. Direct onlookers to turn their backs and form a human wall to protect the mother's privacy. Ask for one person to be your assistant. Instruct the others to respect the mother by staying quiet. Ask mother when her baby is due. Plus 36 weeks. If earlier, this situation will require skin to skin and extra warmth, possible spoon feeding of colostrum, and other measures. If possible, have assistant gather pen and paper and ask assistant to record the time of birth, names, and other information. You are the one who will catch baby and place the baby on the mother's chest. Work closely with the doula and your assistant. Be aware, easily adaptable to the needs of the mother and of the baby. After the birth, you are assessing baby for breathing, heart rate, color, and muscle tone. Assess the mama for excessive bleeding. Midwife to describe how to assess this. The next role is baby catcher's assistant. Assist the baby catcher with her duties as needed. There can be a second assistant baby catcher. Work with the assistant to create a space for birthing mom according to the direction of the baby catcher. You will also help the doula acquire food and water. The next role is the doula role. Focus on the mother, her emotional well-being. Encourage her to use the bathroom every 2 hours. Drink fluids and eat as able. Breathe with her, slowly and deeply, with eye contact and confident reassurance. Work with her, comfort her, quietly encourage her as she births. Be sure to move with her and follow her lead. Encourage position changes as indicated. You will acquire, delegate to doula assistant to get her food and water. Doula assistant role. Work closely with the baby catcher and the assistant. Gather items with the help of the assistant. Delegate to the assistant. Place absorbent cloth, towels, or blankets under the mother for comfort, warmth, and cleanliness. Anticipate what the baby catcher will need, including something to help keep the baby dry and warm, something to place the placenta in after the birth. Obtain and give nourishment and water to the mama during labor and after the birth. Gather items to record the birth. Then the last role is the safe space keeper's role. It could be done by numerous people. It would be their role to call 911 or emergency services if this resource is available. You are maintaining the safe space according to the direction of the baby catcher.